To pay with Afterpay on Uber Eats. Start by opening the Uber Eats app and selecting the food you want to order from your preferred restaurant. Once you have added all the items you want to your cart, proceed to the checkout page. On the checkout page, you will see various payment options, including credit cards, PayPal, and other payment methods. To use Afterpay, select the Afterpay option from the list of available payment methods. If you do not see Afterpay as an option, it may not be available in your area, so you can check the Uber Eats website for more information on availability. After selecting Afterpay, you will be redirected to the Afterpay login page where you will need to enter your Afterpay login credentials to authenticate the transaction. If you do not have an Afterpay account, you can create one by following the prompts on the screen. Once you have logged into your Afterpay account, you will see the total amount of your order and the payment schedule. Afterpay allows you to pay for your order in 4 interest-free installments, due every 2 weeks. Make sure you review the payment schedule and terms before confirming the payment. To confirm the payment, click on the Confirm button, and the payment will be processed. You will receive a confirmation email from both Uber Eats and Afterpay with the details of your order and payment schedule. It is essential to note that Afterpay has a limit on the amount you can spend, and this limit varies depending on your account history and other factors. If your order exceeds the limit, you may need to use a different payment method or split the order into multiple transactions. To avoid any late fees, make sure you pay your Afterpay installments on time. You can set up automatic payments or receive reminders from Afterpay to ensure you never miss a payment. Using Afterpay on Uber Eats is a convenient way to enjoy your favorite food while splitting the payment into manageable installments. By following these steps and understanding the terms and conditions of Afterpay, you can have a seamless and enjoyable experience ordering food from Uber Eats.